Welcome to My Day, My Choice, where we celebrate mothers who want gowns that bloom with personality. Floral Appliqué turns a classic silhouette into living art, catching light and stories at every step. Today we explore styles, fabrics, and tips so your big day outfit feels unforgettable. Please like, share, and subscribe. Now let's begin the journey into petals, texture, and confidence for every mother of the bride today. What is floral applique? It's the art of attaching fabric flowers onto a base dress for soft, raised texture. These details can be lace, organza, or tulle pieces shaped like petals and leaves. They add depth without heavy beading. If you want romance without sparkle overload, this technique shines. Choose subtle tone-on-tone blossoms for elegance, or contrast colors for drama that still feels refined and grown-up. Let's talk silhouettes. A-line gowns flatter figures while letting appliques cascade gently. Sheath dresses deliver grace with scattered petals. Fit and flare styles define the waist but stay comfortable for hugging and dancing. If you prefer coverage, three-quarter sleeves with floral motifs feel light, not heavy. V-necks lengthen the neckline, while illusion necklines showcase blooms. Pick a silhouette that supports movement so applique never feels stiff. Color matters. Soft neutrals like champagne, taupe, silver, and mist blue highlight floral texture without stealing attention. Deeper shades such as navy, plum, and emerald add richness for evening ceremonies. Match undertones to your skin. Warm tones glow in gold-tinted fabrics, cool tones in silvery threads. Keep coordination with the wedding palette, not perfect matching. The goal is harmony with the bridal party while expressing your personal style proudly. Fabric choice changes everything. Lace offers classic romance and holds applique well. Tulle brings softness and movement, great for layered skirts. Mikado or satin give structure for clean lines beneath floral detail. Chiffon drapes beautifully for flow without cling. Consider breathability for warm venues and lining for comfort. You'll be greeting family for hours, so comfort matters as much as beauty. Floral Appliqué, mother of the bride gowns, celebrate love and your spirit. Whether you choose lace petals or bold blossoms, your look stays elegant, comfortable and photo-ready. Trust your taste, move easily, and let your smile be the brightest detail. For shopping help, Amazon affiliate links are in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost. Thanks for watching My Day, My Choice.